We're on a math scavenger hunt.
I wonder what else is outside.
Let's start counting.
I'll write everything down.
Keep an eye out, everyone.
Look at all the butterflies.
I count 6 over there. 3 just flew away.
How many are there now?
There are 3 butterflies left.
I'll write that in the notebook.
I count 13 leaves on the ground. I am going to take these 3 pretty leaves home. I count 13 leaves on the ground. I am going to take these 3 pretty leaves home. Now there's 10 leaves on the ground. Did you write that down in the notebook? Yes. Ladybugs are so cute. There are 10 ladybugs in this garden. Look, 4 more just landed.
Now there are 14 ladybugs in this garden.
I love walking in nature.
That was a fun scavenger hunt.
We counted so many things in nature. We learned there were many ladybugs.
We learned how to add and subtract.
Next time we need to go to the beach.